Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate product recommendations for fashion retailers. So let's suppose I'm running a business and I'm receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process and I've created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I have automated all my WhatsApp conversation. So when I create this WhatsApp chatbot and whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the product recommendations for fashion retailers. And for this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message like, so I'm going to send this message, hey, I want to see your new arrivals, and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message, welcome to Design World, ready to get personalized fashion recommendation. If I click on this find my style, it is going to send me the next question. So it is asking me, please tell me your preferred style, casual, formal or sporty. So I'll go with this formal. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the next reply. So here it is asking me the size. I'm going to send my size and it is going to send me the next question. So it is asking me the color. I'm going to send the color. And then it has sent me this list. Here are some items I recommend for you based on your preference. If I click on this open list, I will be provided with all the products. So let's go with this formal shirt. I'm going to send this message and it is asking me how many items would you like to order. I'm going to enter 4, send this message and let's wait for the next reply. Your order will be confirmed once you make the payment. Here is the payment link. If I click on this payment link, I will be redirected towards this and then we will notify you once it is done. So we have one more option, browse new arrivals. So I have selected this and here I have been sent the next message. Here are our latest arrivals you will love. If I click on this open list, I have all the list or the options. If I go with this floral kurti, I'm going to send this message and it is going to ask me nice choice. Do you want to order or view more? If I click on this order now, it is going to ask me the same questions. So in the very similar manner, you can update these lists which we have created, add more items, ask more questions, and based on the preferences, send them their product. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is actually working. And now if you want to learn how you can also create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the product recommendation for the fashion retailers. And for this, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now, if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token. You can also check out the link given in the description to learn how you can connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the left hand side, where we can see all these options: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. So we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features. You can check that in a playlist available on our YouTube channel by the name Pabbly Chatflow, or you can also check out the link given in the description. Now to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to create a flow. To create this flow, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards this flows. So let's open this now. Now here I have landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows and the inactive flows. To create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. Let's open this. So here we have landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Now before we do that, let's quickly name this to automate product recommendations for fashion retailers, and then we have this box of trigger. So our WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered with the help of this trigger box. We have all the trigger events: keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, and then we have this tag assigned. Now on the basis of the event which we select, our WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered and start sending the messages. I'm going to select it as keyword regex match, and then I'm going to add the keyword like fashion product recommendation. Now if the user's message has these words, fashion, product and recommendation, this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. But what if they do not have these words? They simply have hey or something like I have a query, then this WhatsApp chatbot is not going to get triggered. In the case of this, we use this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool which helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to enter a pattern like. So here I have entered this pattern, and while using the regex, please make sure that you enter the same pattern. Now with the help of this regex, my WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered on any message. It is not necessary that a particular keyword is sent. It is going to get triggered anyways. So here we have entered the keyword and the regex. You can either use the keyword or you can use the regex, or you can use both. For now I'm going to use both. Now this chatbot is going to get triggered. So when I send any message, it is going to send me this message. Now how I was able to receive this message? For that, I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. In this text plus button, I have sent this message. If we select this media, we can send the image, audio, video or the document. If we want to provide many more options to the user, we can use this list. As in this text button, we can only provide 3 options. We have the single product, multi-product if we want to send. We can use the single AI message to send the AI generated messages, and we can use this template which is a pre-designed message format. I'm going to use this text button, and then I'm going to enter my message: welcome to design world, ready to get personalized fashion recommendation. And then I'm going to add 2 buttons in which I'm going to provide them the option to get the recommendation or to check the new arrivals. I'm going to enter the buttons like find my style, browse new arrivals. So here if I open my WhatsApp, I have clicked on this button and I was sent this message. So this is a question. So if I open my flow, as soon as I trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, this is the first message which I am going to receive. And when I click on any of the buttons, the next message should be sent to me. I am going to create a message for this find my style. Now when I'm going to find their style, I'm going to ask them the question. And for that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have already understood these messages. Next one is actions. So over here we have this option of condition, ask address, location, question, media. So these are the actions which will help us get the information from the user. We can ask the address, location, any question. We can ask them to upload any file or the document. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag to that user. We can use this API requests to send the data from this chat to another CRM or the Google Sheet. We can use the single AI message to send the AI generated message. If we have created an AI assistant, we can assign that AI assistant to this particular flow or the chatbot. We can delay some messages to be sent afterwards, and then we can connect one flow to another flow. I'm going to ask the question, so I'm simply going to drag and drop this, and then I'm going to build the connection between this circle, and then I'm going to ask the question. So please tell me your preferred style. So I'm going to select the contact custom field as style which I've created and the format as any. Now when you are asking the question, please make sure that you have created a contact custom field for that question and also selected the format. If you do not select the format, the flow will stop then and there itself. Now with the help of this contact custom field, we can create a personalized message, or we can store the details sent by the user to us in that contact custom field. Now here, whenever you are asking question like name, phone, email, please make sure that you create the separate contact custom field for all the separate questions. So over here I am going to ask one more question, which was this one. After this style, we are asking them the size. So I have drag and drop this question and build connection between this circle and the circle and ask the size. I'm going to select the size as the contact custom field, and then I'm going to select the format as any. Now over here we are going to learn how we can create this contact custom field. For that we are going to open the contact custom field, but before that please make sure that you save this flow. If you do not save this flow, all these messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully, and now I'm going to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom field. I'm going to open this contact custom field in a new tab now. I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. Now you can see the fields which I have created. Here I have created the size, the style, and there is one more question which I am asking of color. So I have also created a contact custom field for color. After that, you create the contact custom field. You simply have to save this. You can create as many as contact custom fields, and then you have to simply save that. What you can do, if I go towards this size, I'm going to copy this contact custom field, copy to clipboard. I'm going to paste that over here. So you see that as soon as I copy and paste that, it is appearing something like this dollar size. So this dollar is creating a personalized message. With the help of this dollar itself, I'm going to send a custom or a personalized message. For now I'm going to remove this. So this is why this contact custom field is very important. I'm going to ask few questions and then I have created a list. I'm first going to complete this flow, and then we are going to learn further how we have created the list and send the messages. I'm quickly going to complete this entire flow now. So here you see that I have created this flow. Now till here we have created a question. After this I have also added one more question. Now as I ask this question, I have added this list. Now if we go towards the messages, under messages we have this list. So I have simply drag and drop this, and then I have provided the body of the message. Then I have added the section, and under these section I have added the items. So this is how I have created this list. I'm going to delete this box. I'm going to show you. So this is the message. Here are some items I recommend for you. So if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that this is the message which we have received in this list message. And then what I have done, after that I have named this section title as list items, and after that I have entered the title. As I keep clicking on add item, I get this enter title, and I keep adding the title, and I have added 3 titles over here. You can add as many as you want. So with the help of this list, I create a complete list of product and send that to my customers. So adding the body of the message, section title, and the title is very necessary. Now as soon as you complete this, you get 3 circles. I have built the connection of all these 3 circles with this question. Again, I have created a question box. I have created a contact custom field by the name product, and I am going to ask them the number of products they want to purchase, and then I am sending them this payment link, and once the payment is successful, I am going to confirm their order. So this is the final message. I have simply built the connection between this circle and this circle. I have taken this text button and created this message. So I hope till here it is clear. So I wanted to provide more options to my users, and that's why I used this list. You can also create multiple buttons, like when you're asking them the size. So you can create 3 buttons. If you have S size, if you have M size, if you have L size, and whatever they select, you can create the list accordingly. So if they select the option where you have created a message like please select your size, and then you have added the buttons. If they click on M, S or L, you have created different list for each of the size. You can also do like that. Now we have another option of this browse new arrivals. Here I have simply created one list in which I have added all the items. I've just added 4 items. You can add many items. All the new arrivals, you can add that over here. And when they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to ask them, nice choice, do you want to order or view more? If they click on this order, now I have built the connection of this circle to this circle, and then again I'm going to ask them the question, the same questions. And if they click on this view more, I have not created the list or any message for that. If you want to send more products, you can simply build the connection between this circle, and then you can select the content type as list or button or whatever you want, and then send more options to your users. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. Now please make sure that you save this. If you do not save this, all these messages will be lost, and you have to keep this toggle on. If you keep this inactive, the messages won't be sent. So we have to keep this active, and then we have to save this. So here first we have selected the trigger box, in which we have entered the trigger event as keyword regex match. We have entered the keyword in the regex, and then we have sent the first message. After that, we provided the buttons, and if they click on this button, these questions are sent to them. If they click on this button, this list is sent to them. Finally, we have built the connection of the circle to all the questions, and then we have finally sent them the payment link. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. We are going to test this one last time. For that, I'm going to write, hey, I want to get some recommendation. I'm going to send this message, and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me the same message. This means our WhatsApp chatbot is working fine. So if I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. Find my style, if I click on this browse new arrivals, the next message will be sent to me. If I click on this open list, these options will be provided. If I click on any of the buttons, the next message will be sent to me. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. If you have any doubts, you can comment down the video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I have attached the link of this flow in the description so that you can check this out. So here I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.